Hello, this is Daniel with Pre-Owned Motor Cars. Here's another new arrival we just got in. This one's our 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee with four-wheel drive, and I'll show you the rest of the vehicle in just a moment. This one's got keyless entry. It also has your blind spot monitoring, powered seats. You do also get seat memory function for two drivers. This one's got 61,901 miles on it exactly right now. You also get a nice big touchscreen for your infotainment needs, and then you got your AC controls down there. You do have two charging ports, and you have one of those cigarette kind of, or the adapters you can put in to get more chargers if you need. This one's also a push to start, so you really don't have to pull the key out to unlock or start the vehicle anymore. Just gotta have it on you. This one also comes equipped with a massive panoramic sunroof. Leather seating. The seats are actually in really good shape too. You have plenty of room for passengers in the back here, and they do get their own AC vents too, a couple chargers, and then you actually have a plug-in, which is pretty cool. This is a 115 volt. This one is a 4x4, and it's also the limited package. It's got a power lift gate, of course. You got plenty of storage space back here too. And then that'll be your power trunk button. You'll also have it on the key too, which is pretty cool. And then these seats do knock down in the second row, and I'll show you what they look like. You actually get a pretty flat cargo space, which is nice. And that second bench seat, or not the bench seat, but the 60-40 split, this side will knock down to completely flat. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to give us a call at 808-334-1111, or you can go on our website, hawaiicar.com. We should have more details and pictures. You can even check out the Carfax. If you want to go ahead and try to get pre-qualified for this one, just hit the financing button at the top of the page, fill out the form, and then we'll get right to work for you. Thanks again.